Right, good morning everyone. Now I'm going to be doing a flower. Again, you've seen me do this one several times. And what I'm going to do is just to cut it an angle like that. And I want the purple on the outside edge to purple and white. So this is a no-sew flower. And you've seen me do this one. I have several videos on how to do it, but what I'm doing now is using the two-tone one just to see if it gives me the flower I'm looking for. Oh, and you can just do as much of this as you want. I'm just going to test something out. Oh, more of a gathered flower, see, like that. Yeah, we'll see. Push that to the end. I'm just going to see if it'll do a small... Actually, I think I'd need a little bit more than that. So I'm doing these. Normally what I do is you do it about 1 inch, like that. Big stitch. But I don't want to do that this time. I'm doing a smaller one. I haven't done it like this. I want to see if it works. I'll just keep going a bit. Using the smaller stitch. Right, let's just see. Push that to the end. Then of course you thread that through. And I'm going to pull this off. You have to just wangle it about because you've put a decent hole in it. There, like that. Now. Aha! Yaha! So I've pulled that through. And I'm going to... Let me just get hold of this. Right, okay. Like that. So it's just a flower filler. Now, hang on, because I can see something else. So hang on. We make 2 of them. I may need the glue gun. I've been so busy this last month. Really busy sorting things out, and I've had my rooms to sort out. You know, as the shop's growing, I've actually got things for the shop in 3 different rooms, and I only want the one. And I normally craft in the big room. So, there's just been an awful lot. And a lot going off in the family. And my health and that. So, I'm just going to see if I can loosen some of the stitches to make it go easier. Push that up. That's it, it's coming. I'm pulling that tight. See, like that? Because I've got 2 halves now. Oh, yeah, look. That could do that, couldn't it? So you can't do a whole one. You wouldn't have enough, I don't think. But you could do that, couldn't you? And then a pearl in the middle. Right. Well, seeing as I'm in the other room, I can do several of these. I like that. That's pretty. Now, I finished buying for the shop. I won't be buying any more for it for a while. I've absolutely stocked it up. We've got 700, over 700 items, and it's fully stocked. We've got everything, ladies and gents. You know, there's heaps and heaps. I've just put a video up last week, or was it beginning of this week, of all the things, a lot of the things we have in the shop. It doesn't list everything, and yet I don't show you everything. But I do show you all the laces, you know, all the embellishments and that. There's tons. So, yeah, you can shop all in one place. And that is just great. And we do keep our prices as low as possible. So, yeah, absolutely thrilled. Now, this wants to do its own thing, see? Now that, we would pin that one down now. See? So you can do that one where you twist it all, or that where you can add two together. Depending, and you know, oh, you can put some stamen in the middle, which I think I'll do. I think I'll just do a... So it's about the width of from your knuckle to your thumb end, and you just bring the needle to the front. Okay, we'll see how much we can get on this one. Push that to the other end. Thread that through. And then we have to twist. And you just pull the middle in. Like that. They are gorgeous. Really pretty. I suppose you could do that, couldn't you? You could mix and match them. Whatever you wanted to do. I want to do that one though. And then put the stamen in the middle. Because you can't get stamen in the middle in these unless they're short and they go just in there. Because there's nowhere for them to drop in. Where that would have a gap in the middle, you see. Right, I just popped next door just to put the stamen in, and all I've done is twisted some stamen together and pop them in, and you can see, It really does make a pretty flower. And that's the other one as well. So I do like the two-tone. You can see it, probably you can't see it on camera, but I can see it's two-tone. That's nice. And I did put them two together. Just glued the two pieces together and added the stamen in the middle. So yeah, they can be used as fillers in a project somewhere. Now, and they're quite pretty, aren't they? Easy to do, and the two-tone ribbon will be in the shop shortly. I was just testing it out. It's a new ribbon, and I thought, you know what, I'll test it out, and that's what I try and do with what we buy. Test things out, and if I like it, it goes in the shop. Like I say, we've got some things that we've been finding while we've been clearing out, and I've got some sales to come on shortly. Lowly reduced, if you want to call it that. Because it's just got to go. I can't house everything. You know, like I said before, it's taking up 3 rooms and I have to condense it down a bit. Shop items will never be condensed down. It's all the other stuff you collect in between. Because you do. You collect an awful lot. Right. So like I say, these two-tone ones I will pop in the shop. And they're the flowers. And they look pretty, don't they? Really pretty. Thanks for watching. Be back in a minute with another video. Bye bye for now.